Good morning, Willow class, and welcome to our learning journey for today. Today's date is Thursday the 14th of January, and our learning journey question is, can I write my own traditional tale with a twist? And you've been working really hard on our story, The Pea and the Princess. Let's have a look at our learning for today. Okay, our can I question for today is, can I compare two versions of a story? And we're going to use a diagram that looks like this. You might have seen it or used one like this before. Do you know what it's called? That's right, it's called a Venn diagram. And sometimes we can use these in maths, but also in English to see what is the same and what is different about two things. Okay, so we are comparing them. So in this section here, we're going to write what is only in the original, traditional version of The Princess and the Pea. And in this section here, we're going to write what is only in our version of The Pea and the Princess. And in the middle, we're going to write what the same is. So let's have a think about some ideas now. Let's start with thinking, what's the same? What's the same about these? Okay, so we could put in the middle here that in both stories, the prince, I'm going to use a capital letter there, the prince needs to find a real princess. That's definitely something that is the same in both of the stories. What else is the same in both of the stories? Well, we could say that in both of the stories, the Queen sets a test by putting a pea underneath the princess's bed. Okay, I could think of lots more things that are the same, but I want you to think of some of your ideas as well to put in there. What's different then? Well, one big difference is that in The Pea and the Princess, the pea tells the story. What else might be different? Are there different characters in there? There's definitely one different character in there, isn't there? Are the endings different or are they the same? What about the Queen's character? I think in The Pea and the Princess, the Queen seems a bit mean. What's only in The Princess and the Pea? Well, let's think about how the story starts. It starts with once upon a time. In The Pea and the Princess, it doesn't start like that because it's told from the Pea's perspective. Right, I'm going to leave it there because hopefully you've got some ideas and I want you to think of some more of your own as well. Don't forget, you can always go back and listen to our version of The Pea and Princess if it helps you to identify and see what is different and what is the same. Don't forget to upload a picture to Class Dojo on your portfolio. You can either write straight onto the sheet, you can print off the sheet, or you can draw it in your book and take a picture. Well done everyone, and I look forward to seeing your work.